Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make apple pie at home in a microwave. First, gather your ingredients like 2 large apples, a pie crust, and some sugar and spices. Next, prepare your apples by peeling and slicing them thinly. Then, you'll assemble the pie in a microwave-safe dish, layering the ingredients carefully. Finally, we'll microwave it to perfection for a quick and delicious dessert. To begin, you'll need 2 large apples, such as Granny Smith or Honeycrisp, peeled, cored, and thinly sliced. For the filling, combine 1/4 cup of granulated sugar with 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. You'll also need 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter, cut into small pieces, and 1 pre-made pie crust. Ensure you have a microwave-safe pie dish ready. Now, let's assemble your pie. Carefully place the single pie crust into your microwave-safe dish, pressing it gently to fit. Next, arrange the sliced apples evenly over the bottom of the crust, creating a nice layer. Generously sprinkle the sugar and cinnamon mixture over all the apples. Finally, dot the top of the apple mixture with the small pieces of butter. It's time to cook your pie. Place the assembled pie into the microwave and cook on high for 5 to 7 minutes. Cooking times can vary, so check the apples for tenderness after 5 minutes. If they're not soft enough, continue microwaving in 1-minute intervals. Once cooked, let the pie cool slightly before serving. It's delicious warm, perhaps with a scoop of vanilla ice cream or a dollop of whipped cream.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.